Jimenez. In this occasion, I'm going to present my weekly routine. I'm going to read it. My name is John Jimenez. My weekly routine is the following. I usually get up at 5 o'clock from Monday to Friday, but I rarely get up later. I take a shower, I brush my teeth, I take a bath, and I get dressed. I do all this from 5 to 6. At 6 o'clock, I have breakfast. I work virtually in the morning from 7 to 12 o'clock. After I lunch, and I take a rest to 2 in the afternoon. From 2 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I help to my daughter with her homework. To Wednesday and Thursday. On Thursday in the afternoon, I play soccer. But the other day, at the same hour, I go to gym. I love it. The weekend, I visit my relative and I watch the soccer match of the England Premier League. I never loved the soccer game by television. Thank you, teacher. This was my daily routine. Thank you very much.